Mechanics of Music. Today we are learning the song Budapest by George Ezra. Really feel-good song, cool, nice kind of chill vibe, and the chords are easy. The strumming pattern is not too hard, so if you're a beginner, this is a great song to start with. We're going to go through the chords, we're going to go through the strumming pattern, and at the end of this video we will do a full sing-along and play along. Now the first thing I need you guys to do is follow the link in the description and download the chart to play along with me. It's got the chords, it's got the strumming pattern. I've got mine in my binder here. The full song, it's even in a page protector. And that's going to be something you can print off and bring with you to your next jam session. So the first thing we need to know is the chords. Now, fun fact about this song, George actually plays it. I don't know if I can call him George. We're on a first name basis. Anyways, he plays the song. If you watch his music video on YouTube or if you watch him play it live, he plays a few different things with capos and stuff, but in the music video, he's playing a G chord, but it actually is in the key of F. So he has his guitar tuned down a whole step. Instead of standard tuning E, A, D, G, B, E, he's tuned down so his first note is a D note. So when he plays a G chord, it actually sounds like an F chord because he has a really low voice. And I think that's one of the reasons this song is so cool and why he's such an interesting artist. We are going to play the song in the key of G though. We're going to play G chord, C chord, and D chord. The 1 chord, the 4 chord, the 5 chord for all you music theory people out there. Only 3 chords, that's awesome. For G chord, I'm going to use my G with my 2 fingers down at the bottom here. Love that chord. Next chord I'm going to play is C add 9. I'm going to just pop these 2 fingers down and I'm going to leave these 2 fingers planted. Anytime I can leave fingers planted between 2 chords, that's going to sound so good. So G chord, and then I go to my C add 9, and I either use my thumb to just touch this E string so that it doesn't make any sound if I do hit it by accident, or you want to try to start your strum on the A string and go down from there. Because a lot of time I do kind of rock out and I do hit that E string by accident, so my thumb is just touching it ever so lightly over the top like this. And the last chord we need is D chord. Now I'm going to leave my ring finger pressed again and I'm going to go down to my D chord like this. And same thing with the thumb. It's going to just touch the low E string. So if I do strum it by accident, it's not going to make any sound. And I'm going to also try to only strum 5 strings. And my ring finger stays there for the whole song. Now occasionally you might maybe see me do stretchy C instead of C add 9. It's up to you guys. Choose your own C chord. What do you think sounds better in the case of this song? What do you think feels better? What are you just better at doing? What transition? Pick a C chord that you want to do and do that for the song. This channel, like I always say, it's about having fun, playing songs with your friends at the campfire, at a party, at an open mic night maybe. Let's move on to the strumming pattern. Strumming pattern number 6 or strumming pattern number 7. By the way, you can download our free strumming pattern resource on our website. We've got loads of strumming patterns on there, chord changes. It's a really, really good resource for you guys to practice your strumming pattern and your chord changes because all these songs are just a combination of different chords and different strumming patterns. So we're going to do strumming pattern number 6/7. Down, down, up, down. That's pattern 6. And then pattern 7, we just add one more little up strum. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's try that together on a G chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now let's go to C add 9. Back to G. It's a bit of a chilled out vibe, so we're gonna do a pretty light strum with our right hand. I want you to really try to keep your right hand loose. Hold your pick maybe even a little looser than normal. It's gonna vibrate. It's gonna wiggle in your fingers, but not so loose that you drop it. You do not want to drop it into the sound hole, although that will happen. It's just a guarantee. Every guitarist has dropped their pick into the sound hole, and then you got to figure out how to get it out. But instead of holding your pick tightly, like if you were doing something fancy, you're going to just loosen up your grip on your pick, and that's going to give you a more relaxed strum. Now, if I grip my pick tighter, it gets louder already. And if I loosen up, I just get a softer sound. So play around with that. These are all the little tiny details that make your playing that much more interesting and fun for you to play and fun for your listener to listen to. The only other thing that I do in the song is when I'm getting ready for the chorus, I actually kind of rock out a little bit harder using strumming pattern 3, which would just be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm on a G chord. Oh, for you, I leave it all. 1, 2, chorus, go. The reason why I should never make. So instead of down, down, up, down, I'm gonna switch to down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I'm gonna crescendo into the chorus because the chorus goes to the D chord, the 5 chord. And when you hit that, it's so cool. And then the last thing about this song is you can really play with the dynamics. So the dynamics is just when do you get a little bit louder? When do you bring in more energy or make it a little bit more softer and quiet? So verse 1, he plays verse 1 again at the end of the song. That's a case where I'm going to really bring it down. My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest. Okay? So I think we actually don't need that many more other things, you guys. Just print off the strumming pattern and the chord change page, print off the chord chart, and let's play it together. We also have a sleeping kitty here. Are you gonna sing it with us? He's good at harmonizing sometimes. Okay, here we go, Budapest. Let's start on a G chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Here we go. My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo. Ooh, I'd leave it all. My acres of a land it may be hard for Great work, everybody. Fun times. Strumming pattern number 7. So good. G, C, and D chord. And a great song. Love it. Thanks for playing along with me. Thumbs up if you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Keep strumming. Keep smiling. Have an awesome day.